Hey, what's up, Gemini viewers? Welcome back to Dream and Pray. Today we are using different decks to get you some information. Whatever comes, man. Spirit, show me the cards we need to speak for our Gemini viewers. Open up, okay? Some of you I see maybe needing to open up your minds, open up your thoughts, whatever, your thought process for some type of clarity of belief here. Okay, then we also have some embracement going on. Looks like someone has mastered their heart, whatever that may mean to you, have mastered here. Something is understood once something was let go. It did come out in reverse. Some of you maybe need to let things go, let someone go, detach. Open up and embrace. And I feel like some of you may be blossoming, blooming here. Once that's done. Send some more knowledge in. Okay. The energy is gaining momentum. Work through your fears, and your commitment is being tested. Let me look at these little mini cards a minute. Hold on. So with the energy gaining momentum and it's being right over this clarity of belief here, I feel like some of you are gonna realize that you are headed in the right direction here. Some of you may be needing to just take some more practical steps. Make sure you're making plans and make sure you act on those plans that you do make. Working with your fears, I feel like some of you may be needing to have some sexy time here. Maybe need to embrace others, embrace others or that special person in your life. Some of you could be headed towards a new start here. And whatever's coming your way here, viewer, it's nothing superficial about it. Your commitment may be being tested. And make sure you're moving towards your dreams with confidence here. Force any type of hurdles with confidence, okay? Believe in yourself. Challenges may arise here and there, but just know the universe is testing you. Let's see what the fairies say. I want to hit the ground. Oh, that's right here. Flourish. Celebration. And look in the book. So you're being told to make sure you learning from your experiences so that you can shed your inner light, okay? You can open up about, I guess what you went through. You can help someone else here. Or you can shed some light, okay, or that's where you get this clarity from. Any unclear areas of your life, of yours or others here. I do see a celebration happening here. Like I was saying, with this work through your fears, whatever's coming your way, there's nothing superficial about that. So I do see some of you celebrating and, letting your hair down, getting out there and dancing and playing. Someone could be sending you an invitation here. All right, whether it's to a party to get together just to embrace each other, whatever. And we have a look in the book. So whatever you question right now, viewer, you can find the answer in the book here. The words you find will, what is it? The words you find shall bring you some type of insight, some instances of information that you are seeking, or you have been seeking, or you will be seeking. Okay? Let's see what else we have. Have a solar plexus chakra. Some of you may need to energize your solar plexus chakra. Actually, it's always going to turn up. So we have some balance here. I see you guys being very balanced or getting your things together, having things put together. Like I said, some of you may need to be to energize that solar plexus chakra, and right over all of this, what's coming to you is being poured over top of this here love beginning for some of you, and this love being very spiritual union. Okay, there's some decisions you need to make. Choose wisely. Yeah, I definitely see some passion ignited here. I do see where you have obstacles and challenges to face, but just make sure you're continuing to put in whatever effort into whatever this is, especially if it's like a work situation. I don't know. I just feel like you're needing to realize how much you want something here. Some of you could even be recommitting to someone or something, but make sure you stand strong through any storm, okay? And make sure you're looking at these dramas as stepping stones to where you want to get to. If you had a question as well, the answer is yes, okay, but not yet. It's like you're halfway to a goal here. Okay, just make sure you keep moving forward. Review them goals as well. Just make sure you stand committed to your dreams so they can come true. I don't know if I said if you're holding a grudge, or some of you are holding a grudge. Make sure you let it go. Okay, that's what I have for you, everyone. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to dream and pray.